Yes, I would definitely recommend MNRB scholarship.
Yes, definitely I would recommend it.
It's highly recommended.
I would recommend MNRB scholarship.
Yes, definitely I will recommend MNRB scholarship.
I would really recommend the MNRB scholarship.
I would definitely recommend this scholarship to all the juniors out there who are SPM leavers or even who are going to pursue their degree. Do apply for the scholarship because the assistance and also the benefit you gain are very, very beneficial.
MNRB bukan sahaja menawarkan scholarship, tapi juga memberikan peluang pekerjaan lah untuk mana-mana student yang mendapat bantuan scholarship daripada MNRB ini.
Gives you an opportunity from A to Z since the beginning of your study journey until the career journey, because they also have the opportunity for your career growth.
Once you enter the company, they will have a structured career path, like for about 1 to 1.5 years on different departments that you can get different exposure.
It also gives me opportunity to be a staff in this company after my intern life.
It also opens up my connection to connect more with other scholars from different kind of background.